Living off grid, it takes some sacrifices. If this was easy, everybody, anybody would do it. You got to cut wood, pick up branches around, plan for inclement weather, groceries. How do I store my food, in my refrigerators? How do I power that up? You just don't get up in the morning, drink a cup of coffee, sit on the porch and listen to some music. Hey everyone, this is Ben from the Semper Gumby channel. I'm here at my off-grid property and I live here in Tennessee. I'm retired now, so I do a lot of outdoor adventures all over the US, but we're gonna go in and check out the off-grid cabin. It is totally off-grid. I have no water, no electricity from the grid. I do have a battery system I'm gonna show you from LiTime, and then that is my primary source of power. And then of course I have my Blue Eddy power stations as a secondary to run some 12 volt gear. But I do have 6 500 watt solar panels. I've got them outside. I'm waiting for the stands to come in right now, so they're not really set up. So I use a generator to charge up my batteries, and with the battery system that I'm going to show you guys, it'll last about 4 days without no gas generator. Right here is my LiTime power. This is what powers the cabin, and this is a 48 volt system. Now, when I say 48 volt, a lot of this batteries that everybody uses in their their rigs or their camping is 12 volts, and this is 48 volts. So one of these batteries is equivalent to 4 12 volt batteries, and it does pump out a lot of power. I'm pushing about 15,000 watts. I go through a 48 volt 5,000 watt inverter, and that is tied into my breaker box, and it also ties into where I can put a generator to charge up these batteries. I can use these batteries probably about 4 days to power this place up before I even need to consider charging it. Right now I'm showing 60-70%. I ran it all night, all day yesterday, and I'll probably top it off here tomorrow in preps for the storm.